guys. Dad's recording as well. I'm probably gonna upload this to YouTube. I hope my dad doesn't think that's not good. A huge rainstorm just happened today, and you might see water on the camera. That's because I'm really in here. Hopefully Dad uploads this to his YouTube channel. Hopefully it stops soon. Everything looks so foggy. Just look behind there and look at how foggy that is. Right, guys? Can you even see that easily? It's been one. This has been on for so long. It looks so blurry back there when I look at it. Just blur, blur, blur everywhere. Look over here. Fog. 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 It's everywhere. My dad said he thinks it's just like rain. Well, you could say that you could see the rain easier here. Look. What should I call this video?
I don't know, nothing's really going on.
Yeah, that's all, guys.